Hello, everyone. I hope your day has been a blessing so far and will continue to be a blessing. Corinthians 5, verses 6 to 8. Your glorying is not good. Know ye not that a little leaven leaveneth the whole lump? Purge out therefore the old leaven, that ye may be a new lump, as ye are unleavened. For even Christ, our Passover, is sacrificed for us. Therefore, let us keep the feast, not with old leaven, neither with the leaven of malice and wickedness, but with the unleavened bread of sincerity and truth. Today, we are going to be talking about soda, but not that kind of soda. We're going to be talking about baking soda. What is baking soda? Baking soda is a household product that also goes by the names sodium bicarbonate of soda and sodium hydrogen carbonate. In its most natural form, sodium bicarbonate is also known as nacolite, a mineral that is found in various locations around the world. It is commercially mined in areas of California, Colorado, Botswana, and Kenya. There are also large deposits in Mexico, Uganda, and Turkey. Health benefits of baking soda. And did you know that sodium bicarbonate is sometimes used as a supplement because it provides dietary bicarbonate? Bicarbonate is typically made by the kidneys and it acts as an acid buffer in the body. I did not know that. It helps with digestive issues. Baking soda is known to help neutralize acid and improve pH balance in the body. It is often used internally to quell digestive dismay, such as acid reflux or heartburn. When these complaints are due to overconsumption of acidic foods or a generally acidic state of the body, slowly drinking some baking soda in water can help to neutralize the acid and get your body's pH back to a better place. Caution. It's important to note that consuming too much baking soda can cause an increase in acid production. Antifungal and antibacterial. Baking soda has been shown to kill off bacteria including Streptococcus mutans, which is a type of bacteria associated with tooth decay. It is also effective against various fungal groups, including yeast, dermatophytes, and molds that cause skin and nail infections in humans. It improves kidney function. As an alkaline substance, baking soda buffers acids in the body, as was mentioned before, and helps to keep pH levels balanced. Low-functioning kidneys have a hard time removing acid from the body, so consuming baking soda can help with just that, and some research has shown it may slow the progress of chronic kidney disease. It alleviates urinary tract infections. Based on research, baking soda appears to be an easy, inexpensive way to improve urinary tract infection, or UTI, symptoms, accompanied by acidic urine with little to no unwanted side effects. It reduces muscle pain and fatigue. And you can pause and read through because there's a lot of information to be covered. It helps alleviate chemotherapy side effects. Chemotherapy side effects, such as undesirable changes to the mouth and throat, can occur in some patients. Rinsing with a baking soda mixture daily can help to improve these unwanted side effects. Not only does it help with that, but it also helps to fight cancer itself. When you have a pH imbalance, unhealthy organisms are able to flourish, which damages tissues and organs and compromises the immune system. Baking soda will help with that. Heartburn and indigestion relief. Baking soda for heartburn is really a thing, so much so that conventional manufacturers of conventional heartburn medications include sodium bicarbonate in their formulas. Exercise enhancer. Soaking in a warm bath with a half cup of baking soda added is said to help neutralize lactic acid buildup in the muscles after a workout. It helps to reduce ulcer pain. Because baking soda neutralizes stomach acid, it is helpful, or it can be helpful for ulcers as well. Beauty and skin uses. It's a natural deodorant. It can be used as a face exfoliator, a hand softener, foot soother, itchy skin relief, splinter removal, bug bite soother, sunburn relief, a hair cleanser. Yes, baking soda can be used as a shampoo. Brush and comb cleaner, a homemade toothpaste, teeth whitener. Home uses of baking soda. It's a natural skin scrub. It can be used for your pots and pans. A carpet cleaner, gentle baby clothes cleanser, fruit and veggie scrub, silverware cleaner, oven cleaner, drain cleaner, dishwasher helper. It can be used as a fire extinguisher. If you experience a minor grease fire in your kitchen, you can use baking soda to extinguish it. A shoe deodorizer, coffee and teapot cleaner, and we are not promoting the drinking of coffee. Shower curtain cleaner, a closet freshener. You can even use it to wash your car. A cat litter deodorizer, and a weed killer. Risks and side effects. Caution. Baking soda uses for skin or body are generally considered safe and non-toxic. Consuming it orally is also safe, but don't exceed the recommended dose. Too much baking soda can upset the body's acid-base balance, leading to nausea, vomiting, and/or abdominal pain. Rare cases of baking soda overdose lead to seizures, coma, and even death. It is high in sodium, 1,259 milligrams in 1 teaspoon. So high doses are not safe. High doses can raise blood pressure and cause swelling. In severe cases, it can overload circulation and lead to heart failure. People who consume too much baking soda have reportedly developed blood chemistry imbalances and heart malfunction. Another reason not to overdo your consumption is that it can increase potassium excretion, which can lead to a potassium deficiency. If you do take it internally, sip the baking soda and water mixture slowly. When taking it internally, it's important to avoid the following. Taking a baking soda and water mixture in which the baking soda is not fully dissolved. Taking more than 3.5 teaspoons in a given day. Taking more than 1.5 teaspoons a day if you're over 60 years old. Taking the maximum dosage for longer than 2 weeks. Drinking baking soda solution too quickly. Taking it when you're overly full to avoid gastric rupture. If you have edema, liver disease, kidney disease, or high blood pressure, you should avoid taking it internally. You should also refrain from consuming it if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. If you're on prescription drugs, Consult with your doctor before consuming it, and make sure you speak to your doctor about drinking baking soda if you are on a sodium-restricted diet. You should not take it within 2 hours of taking other medications. It's also not recommended to give it to children under 6 years of age unless directed by your pediatrician. Some products that may interact with baking soda include aspirin and other salicylates, barbiturates, corticosteroids, medications, and a special coating to protect the stomach, lithium, quinidine, and diuretics. The reference for this presentation is drax.com. However, you may also look into healthline.com, Epic Health, Natural Health, and wellness.guide. Thank you for listening.